Hi guys, and welcome back again to our next video for Cosplay Club. We're gonna get right into it. We got our gloves, 2 aluminum strips, and 12 gold brads. So today we're making Naruto gloves. So for these gloves, unfortunately they're not in your kit, so you're going to have to provide your own gloves. I suggest getting cloth ones because it'll make sure that the brads pin into the cloth. Now if you already have some gloves but they have fingers in them, that's alright. You just need to cut off at the tips right where you see there, where you bend your fingers. And it's real easy, just get a pair of scissors, you can cut right there, and you can have fingerless gloves. So let's get into it. We're going to first draw our Hidden Leaf Village symbol onto both of our aluminum strips. Again, you start off by making a swirl. Add a small dash at the top and add a triangle at the bottom. So I'm going to do this for both of my aluminum strips. There we go, and that's what it should look like. Next, we are going to take our aluminum strips and our 12 brass brads, and we are going to push them through the hole in the strip just so we can get our brads right there, just like how we did the Naruto headbands. So we're going to do that for both strips and for all 12 brass brads, so you shouldn't have any left. Now that you're finished, that is what both of your aluminum strips should look like with the brasses. Our next step is we are going to push the rest of the brads through our gloves. So what we're going to try and do is not push it all the way through the glove, but try and get it through one side of the glove, because you want to pin them on the inside of the glove. So as you can see here, I'm doing both sides where I'm pushing the brads through one side of the glove, trying to make sure it stays in there. Next, you're going to pull the glove inside out, because that's going to help you find your brad. And now that you have your glove inside out, as you can see there, all your brads are showing on the inside of your glove. You're going to split it apart and pin them securely on the inside of the glove. Okay, once your brads are securely pinned, pull your glove back right side, and that is what your glove should look like. So next we're going to do our other glove. We're doing the exact same thing. Okay, we're going to push our brads down, secure them, and there we go, and those are our Naruto gloves. Thank you guys for coming to this lesson of Cosplay Club. Hopefully I can see you guys again next week, and I hope you have a great week. Bye!